We all know when it comes to cooking that I like quick, simple and easy, and tonight's meal is nothing different. Tonight I've got a real treat for the guys. We are having venison souvlaki. So let's get some meat on, get the wraps ready, and we're away cooking. The MDC kitchen just makes things an absolute blast. There's no fuss, there's no special things to learn. It sets up in around a minute and you are away. When it comes to venison, you're talking a really good clean protein source, but extremely low in fat and cholesterol. Let's get the wrap sorted. So the raw ingredients are very straightforward. Let's get some tzatziki on. Now that yogurt is quite healthy and actually balances with the acidity of the meat. Good sharp knife is always a bonus. And you know what I say, guys, if you don't like tomato, bad luck. Some pre-packaged grated cheese and a little bit of the green stuff, just so we can get away by saying it's nice and healthy. These are spot on. Good to go. We'll get them out onto a plate. It is smelling delicious. That's another thing you've got to be careful of with deer. You don't need to overcook it, it does cook quickly, and overcooking it just dries it out a bit. But this is succulent, juicy, and ready to go. Oh, look at that. Don't make the mistake, which I always do, of overpacking your wraps, but nothing like a good, generous, healthy serve. Mark, wrap your lips around that, brother.
Too good, mate. Appreciate it.
Honey.
Thank you.
One for the camera crew. And one for me. Tender, healthy, hot, and delicious. The best way to finish off a night of camping, and the best way to get ready for a big day of off-roading. That's good.